everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lina and I hope you're all doing wonderful today. First of all, I want to say big thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel and for your beautiful comments. I really appreciate all of you and I cannot thank you enough. Also, I want to say thank you to our lovely lady. Her name is Linda. She left a beautiful comment, but I don't know why YouTube not allowing me to reply. I can see the comment on my notifications, but isn't showing in the comment section and not allowing me to reply as well. Dear Linda, I just want to tell you, if you're watching, that I really appreciate you and I thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 4 IKEA DIY hacks which everyone can make, and they're on the budget and they're very easy to make. The first 3 projects, I would say that they're boho Scandinavian style, and the 4th one is a modern abstract wall art. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when the next video is available. So let's get started. For the first project, I used this white tray, which I bought from the pawn shop for about £3, fabric yarn, macrame cord and Gorilla Glue. I'm going to use this IKEA stool, which cost £4. I'll use the bottom part of the stool only to create the little side table. First, I started by removing the seat from the legs by unscrewing these 4 screws. Then you need to fold the legs a little bit to create this rectangular shape. And next you need to turn the tray upside down and find the center of the tray and find where exactly you need to place the legs and glue them, which I'll do later. To decorate the tray, I cut a long piece of the fabric yarn and I started gluing and wrapping around the handle of the tray, and I did the same both sides. I didn't want it to leave the legs plain, so I decorated them the same way by wrapping around the legs with macrame cord, and I started from about 1/3 of the top part of the legs, so then when it's ready, the macrame it will be somewhere in the middle of the legs. The next step is to glue the legs to the tray. I applied a little amount of the Gorilla Glue on the marked places, and then I placed the legs on top of the glued part of the tray, and I didn't touch it until the next day. This glue is really good and it will hold very well. For this project I'll use this IKEA vase, which cost £4.50, this bowl, which is £8, these poly bowls, but you can use wooden or any other bowls that you have, glass glue, acrylic white paint, brushes, and white paint spray. First I started by painting the bowls. I did 3 coats and I let them dry very well. Next I painted with the spray paint the bowl and the vase. I did 2 coats and I let them dry until the next day. After everything gets dried, first I marked the place where I was going to glue the vase to the bottom of the bowl. I applied the glass glue to the edges of the top of the vase, but the space was too small and I thought that only this glue will not hold enough, and I applied also hot glue to be sure that it will be strong. But the hot glue was showing a lot, and I covered with spackling paste on top of the glue. And if this happened to you, you can cover with white silicone. I just couldn't wait another 24 hours for the silicone to get dried. And the last step is to glue the balls to the side of the bowl. Be sure that you have measured the space between the balls so they will fit well. For this project I used this IKEA glass bottle, which cost only £2.50, white spray paint, black acrylic paint, brush, and pencil. After I sprayed the bottle with the white spray paint, I started drawing faces with the pencil all around the bottle. And then I followed the lines of the pencil and I drew on top of them with the black acrylic paint. I covered 2 layers with the black paint, and you need to be careful and keep your hand stable while you're drawing. It is a little bit tricky this part, but not difficult to do it. For this project I'll use 2 packs of these IKEA coasters, each one of them costs £6, 2 canvas with size A3, white acrylic paint and hot glue gun. First I placed the coasters where I wanted to glue them, and I drew guidelines around them so I will know exactly where to put them later. Next, I drew decorated lines around the coasters, and then I created 3D lines on top of them using the hot glue. After the hot glue has dried, I painted both canvas with the acrylic paint and I did 2 coats. And after the acrylic paint dried, I did 1 coat with the white spray paint. And the last step is to glue the coasters to the places that I marked in advance in the beginning with the pencil. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps pushing this video to more audience and it helps this channel growing. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this project. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. I'll see you next time. God bless you all. Bye bye!